Hello. Today, we're going to be doing a quick introduction of NeuralQuant. NeuralQuant is a dial-powered web application designed to allow users to create, backtest, and optimize trading strategies, all using natural language with a minimal barrier of entry. While we won't be doing a full dive into all the functionality today, I'd like to highlight a few quick tabs. The Documentation tab brings you to the developer resources and API docs. In our library, we can see our existing saved models, as well as a repository of public models and indicators that have been created and published within the organization. On the right-hand side, we have our Dial Chat overlay, which can be used to talk to Dial agents and also call NeuralQuant commands outside of the NeuralQuant ecosystem if we want to. Let's see NeuralQuant in action by creating a new model from the Model Designer. I'll start by selecting my ticker universe. Please note that we integrate with several data providers and can also retrieve macroeconomic data and various financial metrics as well as the daily prices. For now, I'll just work with prices on the 30 tickers from the Dow Jones, which I can import here. Let's get our prices, and we see the charts in front of us with an easily configurable layout. Now, the fun part. Let's use AI to generate Python code for a trading strategy. Of course, we can provide our own detailed instructions to design models and indicators as we please, but for now, let's see what our LLM of choice, in this case GPT-4o, suggests. We'll start by asking for some inspiration about trend-following strategies. It suggests a handful of ideas. Let's begin by asking it to parameterize a simple EMA crossover strategy for us. Let's give it a few seconds to generate the code, which it breaks down into indicator blocks and trading logic. We can also provide instructions to the LLM to iteratively modify the strategy if we want. We cover strategy generation in much more detail in our documentation and other videos. We run our code and see that we have generated indicators on our price charts, and that now we have parameters for the EMA windows. Now, let's run a simple backtest, and then we'll show you how optimization of these parameters works. As expected, this strategy generates signals when the indicators cross over, and you can see the results here. It's not exactly profitable with this super simple test strategy. You can also optimize these parameters within a range to see if you can find some better results. We define the ranges and how many trials we want to do, and whether to maximize or minimize whichever metrics we want. Of course, the simple strategy is just the tip of the iceberg with NeuralQuant, so come try it out yourself. Subscribe to Team DIALX on YouTube for more information about how the Dial ecosystem is enabling businesses across all verticals to leverage AI for their use cases. Thank you.